Shea butter benefits for skin. Shea butter can be used for many beauty purposes, and can serve as a nice substitute of coconut oil. It was used by women in ancient Egypt to moisturize their skin and protect it from stretch marks and infection. Benefits of shea butter for skin. 1. Skin moisturization. This is the most common benefit. Shea butter is valued for its ability to lubricate the skin intensely. This is possible due to the fact that shea butter is rich in fatty acids, and it works for all the skin types. It can be used alone, or you can mix it with a drop of your favorite essential oil to drive out the nutty smell. 2. Calm your itchy skin. If you have dry, flaky, and itchy skin, the moisturizing properties of shea butter will help to deal with skin's dryness, while antibacterial properties will deal with germs that cause itchiness. 3. Skin rejuvenation. You can easily rejuvenate the dull and tired skin by using a small amount of shea butter on it. It also protects the skin from free radicals, thus preventing the premature skin aging. 4. Chapped lips. You can heal chapped lips with various vegetable oils, but shea butter would be a better choice because it is thick. It sticks to the lip skin nicely, so you won't have to reapply it over and over again. Shea butter not only effectively lubricates the skin, but it seals the moisture within the lips, preventing their dehydration. 5. Cracked heels. If you need a good alternative to petroleum jelly, go for shea butter. Its thickness and heaviness is similar to those of petroleum jelly, so it softens up the cracked heels and locks the moisture within the heel's skin. Slather a good amount of shea butter on your heels, put on some socks, and go to bed. 6. Wrinkle prevention. Shea butter is rich in fatty acids that make your face look smooth and youthful. So, applying shea butter on your skin prevents the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. 7. Skin brightening. While it may not be obvious, but applying a pea-sized amount of shea butter onto your face after cleansing it will give it a radiant glow. 8. Blemishes and scars. Shea butter can reduce blemishes and fade away scars and dark marks. It contains antioxidants and vitamins, especially vitamin A, that make blemishes and dark circles less visible and increase the healing speed of dark spots. 9. Sunburns. Strong anti-inflammatory properties of shea butter calm the inflammation caused by sunburn. The antibacterial properties of shea butter do not allow the infection and boils to occur in the area of the sunburn. 10. Rashes and allergies. Shea butter is effective in treating allergies that form inflamed bumps on the skin. It can also be used for various skin rashes, like those caused by poison ivy. Shea butter soothes inflammation, and its fatty acids help form a lipid layer on the skin to reduce irritation. It will also help your skin heal faster, due to the presence of vitamin E.